you're watching Gearz, brought to you by Holley Performance Products. Fuel your passion. And Cornwell Tools, the choice of professionals.
Hey, welcome to Gearz. You know, most people realize that muscle cars absolutely dominated the 60s car scene and into the early 70s. But then high fuel prices and insurance pretty much killed the muscle car for a while. Of course, it came back later. But in the 70s and 80s, another automotive phenomenon rose up that was just as popular as the muscle car. It was called the van craze, and everybody wanted one of these things because they were just a rolling canvas of customization. They could be a hot rod, they could be a cool cruiser, they could showcase epic paintwork and equally epic interior work. They could be the life of the party, or they could hide stuff that you didn't want anybody else to see. The craze continued for a couple of decades and then died out. But now, just like everything else, these classic vans, man, they are a hot commodity, especially an uncut, short wheelbase panel van like this 81 GMC Vandura that spent most of its life delivering laundry. Now, the good part is GM made this body style virtually unchanged for 25 years. So you can find one of these. But the question is, where do you find aftermarket parts to modify a classic van? That's what we're going to show you. Okay, when it comes to customizing, the first place that most people look is the grille, because it's the face, it's the personality of the vehicle. And these GM vans have changed a lot in the front over the years. The original 71 through 77s, as you can see, had this really cool V-shaped peak in the center of the hood. Then they had a grille that mounted to the front, flush against the body. Then, from 78 on, they started changing it. They started adding plastic, they started adding metal extensions to try to make it look like a square-bodied Chevy truck. But they didn't change the hood with a peak in it. So now you have this hodgepodge of styling confusion. It just looks terrible. So we're gonna fix this, and we're gonna show you some grille options that you may not know are out there.